Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the formula average and. Here in this example, we have data set containing students' name and marks obtained in Kannada, English and Math subject. Here, we'll find the average marks of the class for each of the subjects and find out if student has got more than the class average. Here in this example, we have 10 students. So the average marks would be total marks of all the students divided by number of students. In Excel, we have the formula average. To calculate the average in a data set, let us find out the class average for each subject. In cell C13, we'll enter the formula equals to average open bracket. We'll select the data from C2 to C11. Close the bracket. Enter. 47 is the class average marks in Kannada subject. Similarly, we'll find for the other two. Copy. Copy the data from C13 and paste it in D13 and E13. So the class average for Kannada, English, Maths are 47, 54 and 60 respectively. Now we'll find if each of the students have scored more than the class average. We will use AND formula. This formula checks two or more conditions to see if they're all true. So in our case, we need to find if the student has scored more than class average in all three subjects. Let us input the formula. In F2, we'll input the formula equals to and open bracket C2, this one C2 greater than equal to average open bracket. We'll select the data from C2 to C11. And we'll lock this range since it will be the same for all the students. To do that, we'll press F4. comma. This is the condition 1. We will repeat the condition for other two subjects. Enter. The result is true. That is, Amit has scored above class average in all three subjects. We'll copy the formula till n. Here, if you look at the second data, it is false. Though Suresh got more than class average in Canada, he got less marks in English and maths. Hence, it's false. Here, in our case, we're given three conditions. And functions can handle up to 30 conditions. That's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.